What's going on, everybody? My name's Matt, aka Mr. Alex, and according to my YouTube analytics, a large portion of my audience wants to know how to make a YouTube channel. So let's get into that. Now, in order to make a YouTube channel, you'll first need to have a Google account. In order to make one of them, just go to the YouTube homepage and press sign in up here. It's then going to take you to this page where you can sign into a Google account you already have. So if you have one, you can skip this step. If not, you can press create account. Once you've got your Google account and you're all signed into YouTube, here is where you can start creating the actual account. So click your name in the top right hand corner and click create a channel. You can call this whatever you want. Now, the good thing about YouTube names now is that it doesn't have to be your name. It can be absolutely anything. Mine, for example, is Matt Does Streaming. You can call yours whatever you like. So let's think what we can call it. Let's call it Kyle Loves Minecraft. Let's create the channel. You'll then see this screen that says your channel is being created and check back in a few minutes. Honestly, you can just refresh and it should be done. And there we go, absolutely fine. Now at the moment, this looks like a pretty bare bones channel, so we want to customize it a little bit. So to do that, we can press customize channel. And in this section of YouTube Studio, you can customize every part of your channel. You can add trailers, you can add the featured video, and you can even sort out sections for your videos that you upload. But for now, you don't have any videos, so let's just sort out the branding. So we might want to set up a profile picture. So I'm going to change mine now. This is one from my other channel, Matt Does Sci-Fi. And then we can do the same thing for the channel banner. This is what my banner looks like. If you want to know how you can create a YouTube banner, you can use a software such as Photoshop, or you can even use something that is free like Photopea to make something that looks just as good, if not better, than mine does now. But once you've uploaded your picture and your banner, you can then press publish. To see if it's worked, we're going to press view channel, and it might show up exactly like this. No changes have been made. So what we can do is we can press Control on our keyboard, head over to the refresh button on Chrome, hit that, and it should force the website to reload everything. And as you can see, we now have a banner, we have our logo, but we don't have any videos yet. Now, I'm assuming that the people who watch my content are probably streamers on Twitch. It's entirely up to you what you upload to YouTube, whether that's VODs from your Twitch channel, compilations of your gameplay, or even just talking head videos like this. But when you have made a video, you've edited it and you're ready for it to be uploaded to YouTube, all you need to do is head to the right hand corner at the very top, hit create, and press upload video. You'll see a screen like this where you can drag in your file, and it will guide you through the process of uploading your very first YouTube video. Now, uploading content to YouTube doesn't always guarantee that you're going to get views. In fact, your very first video probably will not get many views at all, because the YouTube algorithm needs to learn who your audience is. If you want to kickstart that journey and teach the algorithm who your intended audience is, you can use a tool such as TubeBuddy to help you with keywords to optimize your videos to get the most views possible. To get started with TubeBuddy, head to tubebuddy.com/MattDean. Link for it will be in the description down below, and press install free now. It will take you to this page where you can simply add the extension to Chrome. Once you've added TubeBuddy to your browser, all you need to do is sign in with your YouTube channel. Hit I agree to the TubeBuddy privacy policy and terms of service, sign in with YouTube, and select your YouTube channel. Hit allow, and there you go, you have TubeBuddy installed. Now, one of the reasons that I recommend having TubeBuddy, as I said before, is because you can use it for keyword research, and that's going to help you to develop your audience and find people who are interested in the content that you're making. So when you're on the upload screen, you've added your title, you've added your description and your thumbnail. What you can do is head down to the tag section, and here you can use the Keyword Explorer. This is really powerful because what it does is it finds keywords on YouTube and gives you information on them based on how many people search for that keyword and how competitive that's going to be compared to your previous videos. So it's going to give you a score, search volume, competition which is weighted, the optimization strength. The most important thing it's going to do though is give you related searches which you can use as tags for your video. Using these tags is going to show YouTube that your video is about this specific topic. Knowing what other people are searching for when deciding about your video's topic is going to help the YouTube algorithm to determine which audience to serve your videos to. There are many other features of TubeBuddy as well, and if you want to use it, like I said, go to tubebuddy.com/MattDean and install it absolutely free. There are paid versions of TubeBuddy, but you can use it absolutely for free. If you do go on to use the paid versions of TubeBuddy, I will get a small kickback. It's not going to affect your actual price, but it just helps support the channel. If you are looking to create a YouTube channel in 2022, let me know in the comment section down below what other things you would like to know, and I might make some more videos about this in the future. But for now, my name's been Matt, aka Mr. Alex. I will see you in another video. Take care.